Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English 24 channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Lily.
Hello, Lily. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here.
What if someone visits your home and you forget the word for bathroom?
That is a real emergency.
Today's topic is talking about your home in English. It's easy, practical, and fun. A1 level.
And we promise, after this, you can talk about your home with simple, real American English.
Here's how to learn with us. Listen, shadow, repeat immediately, use it.
Yes, don't just listen. Copy us right away. Then use the lines in real life.
Okay, Alex, let's start simple. Where do you live?
I live in an apartment.
Nice. I live in a house. Everyone, shadow, I live in an apartment.
I live in an apartment.
I live in a house.
I live in a house.
Good. Now let's add one more easy line. I live with.
Like, I live with my family.
Great. I live with my mom. Shadow, I live with my family.
I live with my family.
I live with my mom.
I live with my mom.
Alex, how many rooms do you have?
I have 2 bedrooms.
Perfect A1 sentence. I have 2 bedrooms.
I have 2 bedrooms.
I have 1 bedroom. Shadow it.
I have 1 bedroom.
Let's teach an easy question. How many bedrooms do you have?
How many bedrooms do you have?
And an easy answer. I have plus a number.
I have 1 bedroom. I have 2 bedrooms. I have 3 bedrooms.
If you have 5 bedrooms, can I move in?
Only if you clean the kitchen.
Ooh, kitchen. Let's talk about rooms. Alex, what rooms do you have?
I have a kitchen, a living room, and a bathroom.
Nice list. Everyone, shadow, I have a kitchen.
I have a kitchen.
I have a living room.
I have a living room.
I have a bathroom.
I have a bathroom.
Now let's make it natural. Alex, do you have a balcony?
Yes, I have a balcony.
I love balconies. They are great for fresh air.
And for saying hi to your neighbor even when you don't want to.
Shadow, do you have a balcony?
Do you have a balcony?
Yes, I have a balcony.
Yes, I have a balcony.
No, I don't have a balcony.
No, I don't have a balcony.
Great. Let's add garage. It's a common American word.
A garage is for a car or for boxes you never open.
So true. Alex, do you have a garage?
No, I don't have a garage.
I have a garage. It's messy. Pause, shadow, it's messy.
It's messy.
We also say it's clean, it's small, it's big.
Easy adjectives.
Shadow these. It's small.
It's small.
It's big.
It's big.
It's clean.
It's clean.
It's messy.
It's messy.
Now describe your home in one short sentence, Alex.
My apartment is small but clean.
That's perfect. My apartment is small but clean.
My apartment is small but clean.
My house is big but a little messy.
Honest English.
Let's practice a little. Shadow, it's a little messy.
It's a little messy.
It's a little small.
It's a little small.
It's a little big.
It's a little big. That sounds funny.
Yeah, big is big. You can say it's pretty big.
Shadow, it's pretty big.
It's pretty big. Now let's talk about location in the home. This is super useful.
Like in, on, and next to.
Yes, keep it A1. Alex, where is your TV?
The TV is in the living room.
Great. Shadow, the TV is in the living room.
The TV is in the living room.
Where is your bed?
My bed is in my bedroom.
Shadow, my bed is in my bedroom.
My bed is in my bedroom.
Now on. Alex, where is your phone?
My phone is on the table.
Shadow, my phone is on the table.
My phone is on the table.
And next to. Alex, where is the chair?
The chair is next to the desk.
Nice. Shadow, the chair is next to the desk.
The chair is next to the desk.
Now we do a mini story. Ready?
Ready.
I come home. I take off my shoes.
Shadow, I come home. I take off my shoes.
I put my keys on the table.
I put my keys on the table.
I sit on the couch in the living room.
I sit on the couch in the living room.
I feel safe at home.
I feel safe at home.
That sentence is important. I feel safe at home.
Yes, home is not just a place, it's a feeling.
Beautiful and simple English can say big feelings.
Everyone, shadow again. I feel safe at home.
I feel safe at home.
I feel safe at home.
Now let's do a practical situation. A friend visits your home.
Oh no, I have to clean.
Scene time. Lily visits Alex's apartment.
Okay.
Hi, Alex. Thanks for inviting me.
Hi, Lily. Welcome to my apartment.
Welcome to my apartment. Shadow, welcome to my apartment.
Welcome to my apartment.
It's nice. Is this your living room?
Yes, this is my living room.
Everyone, Shadow, is this your living room?
Is this your living room?
Shadow, yes, this is my living room.
Yes, this is my living room.
Curious, where is the bathroom?
The bathroom is over there.
Great survival English. Shadow, where is the bathroom?
Where is the bathroom?
The bathroom is over there.
The bathroom is over there.
Over there is my favorite direction.
Over there is simple and it works.
Let's add this way, that way.
Shadow, this way, that way.
This way,
This way,
that way.
that way.
Back to the visit. I see your kitchen. Do you cook?
Proudly, yes, I cook sometimes.
Sometimes means one time a week.
Sometimes means I make toast.
Toast is cooking. Okay, Shadow, I cook sometimes.
I cook sometimes.
Now let's teach an easy compliment. Your home is nice.
And an easy reply. Thank you.
Shadow, your home is nice.
Your home is nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You can also say, make yourself at home.
That's very American.
Yes, it means relax here. Shadow, make yourself at home.
Make yourself at home.
Alex, what do you say when someone offers a drink?
Would you like water?
Great. Shadow, would you like water?
Would you like water?
Answer, yes please, or no thank you.
Yes, please. No, thank you.
Now let's practice I have with home items.
Like furniture.
Right. Shadow these. I have a couch.
I have a couch.
I have a table.
I have a table.
I have a chair.
I have a chair.
I have a bed.
I have a bed.
Alex, do you have a microwave?
Yes, I have a microwave.
Do you use it a lot?
Yes, I use it every day.
Shadow, I use it every day.
I use it every day.
Great. Now say, I use it at night.
I use it at night.
I use it in the morning.
I use it in the morning.
Let's talk about feelings at home. Cozy, quiet, noisy.
Cozy is a great word.
Cozy means warm, comfortable, and nice.
Like a soft blanket and hot tea.
Alex, is your apartment cozy?
Yes, it's cozy.
Shadow, it's cozy.
It's cozy.
Is your home quiet?
Sometimes it's quiet. Sometimes it's noisy.
Great contrast. Shadow, sometimes it's quiet.
Sometimes it's quiet.
Sometimes it's noisy.
Sometimes it's noisy.
Now let's do a quick yes-no practice.
Fast and fun.
Do you live in a house?
No, I don't. I live in an apartment.
Do you have a kitchen?
Yes, I do. I have a kitchen.
Do you have a balcony?
Yes, I do. I have a balcony.
Do you have a garage?
No, I don't. I don't have a garage.
Great. Listeners, shadow the short answers. Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Now we teach a super useful question. Do you like your home?
Nice and emotional.
Alex, do you like your home?
Yes, I do. I like my home.
Why? Use easy reasons.
It's safe, it's close to work, and it's cozy.
Excellent A1 reasons. Shadow, it's close to work.
It's close to work.
You can also say it's close to school.
It's close to school.
Or it's close to the store.
It's close to the store.
Now I ask you, Alex, what is your favorite place at home?
My favorite place is my bed.
Honest again. Shadow, my favorite place is...
My favorite place is.
My favorite place is the kitchen. I like coffee.
You and America agree. Coffee is life.
Now teach the listener, I like...
Shadow, I like my living room.
I like my living room.
I like my bedroom.
I like my bedroom.
I like my kitchen.
I like my kitchen. Let's add one more. I don't like.
Because not everything is perfect.
Right. Alex, what don't you like about your home?
I don't like the noise.
Shadow, I don't like the noise.
I don't like the noise.
I don't like cleaning.
That is the most common problem in the world.
Now a quick tour script. This is great for practice.
Yes, like you're showing your home to a friend.
Repeat after me. This is my living room.
This is my living room.
This is my kitchen.
This is my kitchen.
This is my bedroom.
This is my bedroom.
This is my bathroom.
This is my bathroom.
Add one detail. It's small, it's clean.
It's small, it's clean.
Put it together. This is my kitchen. It's small but clean.
This is my kitchen. It's small but clean.
Now you try, Alex. Give a short home tour.
This is my living room. It's cozy. This is my kitchen. It's small. This is my bedroom. It's quiet.
That was perfect for A1, short and clear.
And real.
Let's do one more fun scene. Your friend wants to sit down.
Okay.
Please sit here.
Thank you.
Shadow, please sit here.
Please sit here.
Shadow, thank you.
Thank you.
If you want to be extra kind, say, are you comfortable?
That's a great question.
Shadow, are you comfortable?
Are you comfortable?
Answer, yes I am, or not really.
Yes, I am. Not really.
Not really is honest and dangerous.
Very dangerous in someone's home.
Now let's practice one of the most useful lines ever. I'm at home.
Yes, simple, powerful.
Shadow, I'm at home.
I'm at home.
I'm not at home.
I'm not at home.
You can use it on the phone. Hi, I'm at home.
Or text, I'm not at home.
Now let's build a short conversation you can copy.
Listeners, shadow every line.
Where do you live?
I live in an apartment.
Do you live alone?
No, I don't. I live with my family.
How many bedrooms do you have?
I have 2 bedrooms.
Do you like your home?
Yes, I do. It's cozy.
What's your favorite place at home?
My favorite place is the living room.
Great job. That is real, useful English.
And it sounds natural.
Seriously, quick reminder, you don't need big words. You need useful words.
Small English every day becomes strong English.
Okay, listeners, now it's your turn.
Say your answers out loud.
I live in a...
I live with.
I have...
My home is.
My favorite place is...
Great, you just spoke about your home in English.
Before we end, let's do a final shadow challenge.
Repeat fast but clear.
I live in an apartment.
I live in an apartment.
I have a kitchen and a living room.
I have a kitchen and a living room.
My home is small but cozy.
My home is small but cozy.
I feel safe at home.
I feel safe at home.
That last line matters.
Yes, English is a tool, but feelings are the reason.
Alex, when you think quietly, what good news do you feel inside?
I feel thankful, I feel hopeful, and I feel happy that we are learning English together.
That's beautiful. Sometimes the best good news is peace of mind.
Exactly. And listeners, remember, your English doesn't have to be perfect.
Progress is good news. Every word you learn is good news.
Final message to listeners. If you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future lessons.
That's right, and please share this episode with anyone you know who is also learning English.
It would mean a lot to us, and we'd love to hear from you.
So please leave a comment below telling us about your day in English or any other topics you'd like us to talk about in the future.
Yes, we read your comments and truly appreciate your feedback.
So until next time, keep practicing your English and have a wonderful day. Bye, everyone. Bye, Alex.
Bye, everyone. Bye, Lily.